On this week's episode, we'll be taking you to Outtake Town as we milk one last video from the trusty Boatswagen while we edit another big project. The footage you're about to see was meant to be the third part of the saga as we headed to SantaPod Raceway to take our beloved car boat down the strip. Unfortunately, as always, we turned up a little late and missed the day that the strip was open to the public. So instead we spent 2 days hanging around shiny Volkswagens at the vwaction show. But luckily that meant we had plenty of time to do some mocking.
Why would you have that?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like,
what, the paint?
Well, we can't carry anything, can you?
All well in there, Burns?
Will be.
No issues?
Nothing particularly serious, I don't think.
What is not particularly serious?
Ah, the bumpers fell off, but yeah, that's alright, isn't it?
Well, I mean, so.
It's all part of the action here at the vwaction.
As you can see, we are now at SantaPod for the second part of this video. We've took on the water, now we're going to see if it will go down the strip. But first, there's a VW show, so we're going to see if we can win any more awards at the VW show. Corey, do you think we'll win any more awards?
Look at it.
Yeah, that's our left factory, that's concourse, isn't it?
Maybe.
It is actually a concourse show and sign event, so it's meant to be how it left the factory, see how nice it is. But in the truck, we've got some seat belts for tomorrow because we don't have any seat belts. But yeah, it's a show we're probably not going to win, but it's nice to see some reactions.
Oh, it looks like we've had some issues there, it does. Did this happen when we were putting it away last week?
Yeah, burns. Burns happened.
So where did the screws go?
What screws?
The ones for holding the bumper on.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't even know you'd crashed it.
Don't worry about that.
And tell the people how it's already damaged.
Well, someone ripped the bloody grill off.
Why did that happen?
This is the trailer's fault. How? Because it's not
We
sticking
had
up
it brand
anymore.
new last week.
Well, it's not brand new anymore. It's a good paintbrush he's got there, isn't it?
Yeah, that's high quality. We don't do anything
Listen,
by
I'm in the field. Quite literally.
You don't know what I've seen, man.
Yeah, you don't know. Content going off.
That's it.
Hello.
Well, she's driving on land. So Burns has actually drove on land because I only went on the boat ramp the last time, last weekend. So we'll see if we break down.
You'll never make it, John.
Things we're going up against on this show.
You will never find a more wretched hive of scum and villainy. We must be cautious.
So then there's ours, made out of filler and God knows what else sort of shit. But we have an anchor. Now you're getting into the spirit of the VW show.
Yeah, I really feel like a Volkswagenist.
Is that a word, a Volkswagenist?
Yeah, Volkswagenist, yeah. From the sideways. Similar sort of thing.
It's an award-winning vehicle. It's got to win.
If it does win something, I'll eat my hat.
While the supporters gathered in their herds to check out the unofficial Best in Show, Corey began to have his doubts that we would actually win any awards here, so before Burns polished through the paintwork, we decided to go and have a good look around and a bit of a mock of all the shiny and expensive things there on display.
So you got your scaffolding in there, is it your scaffolder?
Oh, yeah.
Part-time scaffolder. Polo nice. Yours, is it? Good, is it?
Well, that's nice and straight.
Oh shit.
And of course, a nice little reward would be nice. Here's
Hey, some finish in the back of his bed.
Rah-rah skirts and tutus and...
Why would you have that?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, like.
What, the painted box?
We can't carry anything, can you?
as I said, we've now got...
This is the woman magnet.
They're flocking. They are. They're
Like a
flocking.
Harrods sail.
What we'll do is we'll take the boat engine off, fifth wheel, trailer, the new towing truck. The women will be...
Yeah.
Want you
They
to
will.
roger them left, right and centre, they will.
Roger me! Roger me! Better than being a drug dealer. Dirty Rusty. Just debate whether to get on for polo as well.
Yeah, I think you should while you're at it.
It's going to be cheaper, isn't it, the next one?
60, yeah. Have a think about it.
I'm thinking.
I know you are.
How much was it? How much was it?
30.
Go metal.
Yeah. Very cheap as well,
Just fucking get them. You just bought them t-shirts, so you're working for Barclays.
last
staff?
month. Last month.
You're not staff, are you?
Nah. Oh, good. If you get a staff discount,
You would have done, but you're not staff. You fucking missed that one. Are you alright, mate?
How much is the staff discount?
I'm moving on, lads.
Oh, the front bumper as well. You missed the front bumper.
He's not got the show and shine look, has he?
So he's going to be getting his cleaning kit out in a minute.
Going to the Autosmart getting some cleaning stuff.
Who did you avoid from yourself?
The car was built on telly, but we made it amphibious ourselves, yeah.
Fucking Leepu or something, wasn't he?
Yeah, Bernie and Leepu.
Chop.
Gone for 5 minutes.
How much was it? Just 25 quid.
Well done,
I like it.
Although we had missed this trip, we'd had a good first day at the vwaction show. We'd seen some Volkswagens, bought some jazzy metal plates and a few bits of junk, and got the Tonka toy some new stickers. We'd also been asked 1,001 times if the Boatswagen actually floats or not, but just before Corey could cook us dinner as is tradition, our pesky security man seemed to have issue with our seating arrangement.
What was he saying to you? I couldn't make a word of it.
If you ain't in a seat, then you can't sit there.
What was he saying that to me?
Yeah,
Oh,
it ain't
God.
a seat, it's a boat seat. Yeah. You bring cheese? No.
People were loving it, they were.
Sorry?
People were loving it. You man in that wheel, John.
I'm man on the wheel, John.
Reckon we win any awards this time?
Maybe not.
Maybe.
Oh, that'll do
Do
you.
you reckon it's shiny enough?
Oh, it's a bit shinier than yesterday.
Yeah, a little bit.
Got a pen this time.
Waste of time, we're never going to win.
Oh, we're going to win it all, aren't we?
You actually go fishing in this?
In the water in it, yeah.
Down the River Thames last weekend we were.
Yeah?
For the boat show. Yo, this thing is crazy.
Yeah, here's a photo of it on the Thames.
You man ain't joking.
No, man. Goes well as well.
Serious?
Yeah.
What made you come up with this?
Something to do.
Dare to be different.
Yeah.
Car was pretty useless as it was, best turn into a boat.
Man, you lot have some creative mind, boy.
Yeah.
With day 2 in full swing and the questions on whether the car boat floats coming in quick, we wandered off for a spot of breakfast before another round of oh look, there's a Volkswagen.
Ideal if you need to grate some cheese then well as well. Well, the fact it's got a Volkswagen.
I'll tell you what it is when you've got it.
It's a Porsche engine, isn't it? Is it? Nope. Taking in the ambience.
The ambiance. That's a big word. That isn't Lynchburg, is it?
Lemonade.
Gas.
Oh, there we go. Surely not.
It is.
It even says it. Lynchburg lemonade is.
It's genuine.
Free t-shirt. Thank you. Oh, monster truck. We're going to watch him run over some shit.
Shit being run over.
Do about the gate and get him in here, really.
Yeah.
£20.
Buying some wares, are you?
Find a gift for Charlie.
Oh, that's good, that.
£20,000. Sold.
Get your gift it.
To you, Jim. Do you know what? Johnny Jim just opened his wallet and you should have
Oh,
seen
you got googly eyes.
I'm not seeing it.
Found your hat.
My hat?
Right, back to the music. Any requests?
Where's his
here?
hat?
The tits. He wearing that, wasn't he?
Well, the little.
Listen by ABBA.
I need a lot
John
more
Denver.
stylish than one of these
Oh, well,
prides.
no,
You seen the pride
Yeah,
one?
that one.
John Denver from his album Live in Paris. Here we go.
My entire life.
He's enjoying his alien.
Go on, you need him.
Right, back to the music.
Get a cap then.
Oh, head weight down by your entire Lego plate.
They are you, really. You look like better one of them.
Oh, yeah, I would.
Unfortunately, we didn't win any awards at this show and the strip remained closed for the whole weekend. So on that disappointing bombshell, we'll say goodnight, but make sure you're here same time next time for one of our biggest projects to date. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video as well.